Hello everyone, I am Shauna. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. If you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate it. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. So in this video, I would like to share a Bath and Body Works haul with you. I've got some body care, some of the new candles, that type of thing. They've been having such incredible sales lately. I went ahead and took advantage of the 2 for $20 single wick candles, which actually as of today is no longer available online. But they also had a $5.95 fine fragrance mist sale, and I had to pick up some more of my favorites for that. I really try to watch for the sales and just kind of get what I really want without paying full price. So definitely appreciative of all the sales that they have. Today the 3-wick candles are, I believe, $10 off today, and then body care is back to buy 3 get 2. So let's go ahead and start with body care, like my favorite part. So I picked up another strawberry pound cake. If you follow me, you know how much I love this. So the scent notes are fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. And this smells like a delicious, sweet strawberry dessert. Absolutely love this. Don't ever want to be without this. And this is currently part of the Bake Shop collection, and I've done full reviews on that. I'll link those videos for you to check out if you haven't seen that. But love strawberry pound cake. I need it in everything. And then I picked up raspberry jam donut, and I love the color of this bottle. Just something about that, like, frosted pink with the gold, metallic gold, just gets me. So this is wild raspberry jam, powdered sugar, and warm fluffy donut, and that's what it smells like. It smells like a sugary, fluffy, crumbly raspberry donut. It's delicious. It's so delicious, you guys. Oh, I love this so much. So of course I had to take advantage of $5.95 for that. And then I went ahead and picked up some hand soaps. So I got What's Shakin cookies and cream milkshake. Totally adorable packaging. Look at how cute that is. This is like a pink haul. Like everything that I have is pink. And I love pink, so I don't mind that at all. But the scent notes are ice cream, chocolate fudge, and cookie bits. And I actually did smell this in the store. And this smells like cookies and cream ice cream. Delicious vanilla ice cream with Oreo cookies in it. I mean, that's what this smells like. Totally fun and playful for spring and summer, or if you just need a pick-me-up. And who doesn't want to smell like ice cream, right? I know I do. I love gourmand scents. So yeah, definitely looking forward to trying that. And then I went ahead and picked up 3 pink Petal TeaCake hand soaps. And look at the packaging for this. It's so pretty. I love the way this looks in my bathrooms. So that's why I'm like, yeah, I need a lot more of this. So the scent notes are pink rose petals, pound cake, and vanilla glaze. And this smells like a lovely soft floral and pound cake. Sugary, maybe vanilla pound cake. It's delectable. I love this. I really, really want this in body care. I love this. And I love the way it smells on my hands. And I actually prefer the gentle foaming hand soaps because, first of all, you get 8.75 ounces versus I think it's just 8 ounces in the gel one. And I feel like with the foaming one, you get all of it out at the bottom. I know with the gel ones, I end up having to turn it upside down so that the soap can fall to the top so that I can actually use it. But with this, I just keep pumping, and I feel like it really does a good job of getting all of the contents out of the bottle. So I really prefer the gentle foaming hand soap. So I picked up 3 of those in pink Petal TeaCake. And then I picked up Brighter Day orange zest and sea spray. And look at this packaging. Fluorescent neon pink with a beautiful black lid, white wax. Cannot go wrong with that. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And it smells absolutely delicious. So the scent notes are freshly squeezed orange, aromatic herbs, and sea spray. And that's what this smells like. Like fresh, salty sea air with like a citrusy orange blast. Very invigorating, very fresh, and who doesn't love that packaging? I know I certainly do. Oh my gosh, so cute. So yeah, 2 for $20 for that. And then I picked up Let Love Glow, another single wick, and soft pink wax. This smells like cotton candy. I love this, you guys. So it is candy hearts, cotton candy sugar, sparkling raspberries. And this smells like confectious sugar cotton candy. Goodness. Just totally yummy. And I actually got 2 of these. So I don't know why I only got 3. Maybe they still gave me the discount. I'm not sure, but I actually got 2 of these because I love anything sweet, anything that smells like cotton candy. Yeah, I'm there for it. Let me see. Did they still give me the discounted rate? Nope. Doesn't look like they did. Hey, that's okay. It's alright. But love these. Can't wait. I might go ahead and start warming these now because I've got this whole like candy pink vibe thing going on today. And I think that'll be good. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried any of these and what your favorites are, what your thoughts are. I love to know you guys stop by my channel. And thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. If you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.